Hello, darling parents. We hope you're having as much fun with Spirit Week as we are. Today was Wear a Hat Day. Wednesday is Silly Socks Day. Thursday is a fancy silly tie day. And Friday is College T-shirt Day. I was hoping that you could help us with a little project that we've been working on in our class. You may have heard that there is an 8 Key of Excellence song contest, and our class is going to sing a song about the 8 Keys of Excellence to the tune of Old Town Road. So I know your child has probably had that song stuck in your head forever, so I figured why don't we just go ahead and use that song. That way I don't ruin another song for you that they're going to be singing again and again because it's stuck in their head. So anyway, we were thinking that this Friday, although it is college t-shirt and uniform bottom day, it's also $1 to wear jeans. If your child could pack in their backpack a flannel shirt or something that would go with our theme of Old Town Road. So maybe like a cowboy kind of clothing. A cowboy hat would be great. Miss Destiny is going to bring in an acoustic guitar and we're going to film our music video. Now, some students might be a little shy, so this is going to be optional. Students can choose whether or not they want to play at recess or to work on this collaborative activity during their recess time. So if your child does not want to participate, that is a-okay, but every child is invited to participate. So that would be so wonderful if you can think of anything that your child can wear that would resemble cowboy theme. I didn't say cowboy boots, so there's probably some other things that I am not thinking of. Now, Miss Destiny is going to bring in a guitar. I know that's something that wouldn't fit in the backpack. If you're thinking of something that would go really well with our country theme, go ahead and shoot me an email because we could probably make it happen, but I want to make sure that your belongings are safe if you're going to let us use it for a prop in the classroom. I also know this is super short notice. Today is Tuesday and we're going to film on Friday. So if you don't have any cowboy related things, no worries. There's going to be little scenes in our music video of just students in the regular uniform in their classroom working hard and showing the 8 Keys of Excellence. So thank you so much if you choose to participate. Again, I'm sorry this is such short notice, but let's see how it goes on Friday, starring in our very first music video.